Good morning, class. Welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School, Khargone, and you are studying English with me, all right? So, we are, we have started chapter number 8 of English literature, that is Cats Sleep Anywhere. So, we have done with the reading, explanation, and book exercise of the poem, right? So, today we are going to start off the notebook writing work. Okay, on notebook writing work, you have to write in the same notebook, but just do a little thing in that. Okay, fold a page, write proper term 2 there or semester 2, whatever you feel is right. Okay, so fold a page and then start writing it there. Alright, so what we do in the beginning of a chapter, we fill up the index, you see. So, open your index page, okay? Here, serial number, date and topic. Serial number, date and topic, okay? So, serial number, whatever is going on. अब date आप कौन सी लिखेंगे? The date on which you are watching this lecture, okay? जिस भी date पर आप ये lecture देख रहे हैं, you have to write the same date here, and and then topic, the most important one. Chapter number 8. Okay, we are going to start off with the new words and word meanings. New words and word meanings. Alright, so just please fill up this index fast so that we can start. Okay, I am getting aside so that there is no difficulty in noting down the things. Alright, I guess this much time is enough. So, index writing is all done. Now, open a new fresh page of your notebook. Alright? Open a new fresh page of your notebook. Just after the page where you have folded the column for term 2. Okay? Then, write it down. So, suppose this is your margin. Okay? Right here in the middle, chapter number 8, CHAPTER, chapter 8. Chapter 8, what is the name of the chapter? Just on the line below it, okay? CATS, cats, SLEEP, sleep, anywhere, 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 okay? Cats sleep anywhere. Alright, then here on this side of margin, write down number A, new words. NEW, new, WORDS. Now children, क्योंकि अभी तक हमने सारी headings लिखी है ना? तो this C will come in capital, this C also capital, rest of the letters small, but this C, okay, will come in capital letters. Then S also capital, क्योंकि heading के जो words होते हैं उनके जो beginning letters होते हैं वो सारे capital होते हैं, ठीक है, जो main words होते हैं. Then A also capital. Here also new words में N capital and W capital. Alright, so write it down fast. I'm giving you a 1 minute to note it down. Okay. Okay, piano. 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 Okay. The first new word that we have learned from the poem is piano. Please write it down. Okay, next word is ledge. 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 Okay, next word is ledge. 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 Just a moment. You will see the word clearly. Just a moment. Okay. Yeah, ledge. Piano, ledge. Next word is edge. Okay. EDGE. भी गलती से भी फर्स्ट लेटर इनका कैपिटल मत कर देना, है ना? I tell you every time the same thing. Okay. No proper noun is here in the new word, so you have to start off every word with a small letter. Okay. And if you will start the words with a capital letter, that will be a grammatical mistake. Okay. And I'll cut out all those words in your notebook. Alright. So small letters से start करना, ठीक है? Then next word is fourth word empty. 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 Okay. Fourth word is empty. 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 Then next word is drawer. Next word is drawer. Next word is drawer. DRAWER. Next word is drawer. Another word is fitted. 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 F is small. Okay. Seventh word cardboard. 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 Next word is cardboard. All right. अच्छा, cardboard और उसी के जैसा cupboard. Spellings are almost same, but the pronunciation is different. Okay, cardboard and cupboard. 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 All right. Then that's it. Only 8 new words are there. Please jot it down fast so that I can start a new thing. That is word meanings. So I am reading all the spellings once again for you in case you are not able to see the board. PIANO, piano. Then LEDGE, ledge. Then EDGE, edge. Then EMPTY, empty. DRAWER, drawer. FITTED, fitted. CARD, card. BOARD, board. Now this is a compound word, cardboard. Alright. Then cupboard. This is also a compound word. CUP, cup. BOARD, board. And together it is read as cupboard. Alright. Please do it fast. Okay. I am giving you some time to write. Please note it down fast. Okay children, so we do not have so much of time. You can either take a screenshot if you want, or the best option is to pause the screen. Okay, अगर ज़्यादा time लग रहा है, pause the screen. You can stop me here in YouTube. Okay, so just pause the screen if you are taking a lot of time. Okay, that's rub it out. Alright children, if your page is filled up, you have to start the word meanings with a new page, okay? And if not filled up, वहीं से start कर दो, not a problem. So question number B, word meanings. Word meanings, MEANINGS. Alright, word meanings. Let's start the word meanings. Okay, the first word meaning that is given in your book is window ledge. What is the first word meaning given in your book? Window ledge. LEDGE. Window ledge. The first word meaning that is given in your book is window ledge. So the meaning of window ledge is a shelf under a window. Write it down, a shelf under a window. ओके, विंडो के नीचे अगर एक शेल्फ है, ऑलराइट, जैसे मैंने बताया था इसके पहले वाले लेक्चर्स में, विंडो के नीचे अगर एक शेल्फ है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ विंडो लेज. क्लियर? गुड. देन वन मोर थिंग. ओके, वर्ड मीनिंग बुक में तो नहीं दिया, बट एक्स्ट्रा आई थिंक यू शुड नो द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एज. EDGE, edge. Okay, it is not given in your book, but I am adding it. Edge. What is an edge? The outside limit of an object. Okay, write it down. The outside, OUTSIDE, outside limit, LIMIT, limit of an object. The outside limit of an object. Okay, किसी भी object की जो outside limit है ना, जिसके बाहर आप नहीं जा सकते, तो फॉर सपोज माई डस्टर इज अ विंडो लेज. ठीक है, तो इसके जो ये एजेस है ना, ये जो आउटसाइड लिमिट्स हैं, इसके बाहर डस्टर नहीं है, ऑब्वियसली ये सरफेस डस्टर का यही खत्म होता है, तो दीज आर कॉल्ड द एजेस ऑफ अ डस्टर. वैसे ही विंडो लेज की जो एजेस हैं, ऑलराइट, ऐसे हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट की एज होती है. देन नेक्स्ट इज एम्प्टी. The next word meaning is empty. EMPTY, empty. Okay, empty means not filled. Not filled. Not filled up. Okay. कोई भी चीज empty कब है? जब वो खाली है, उसमें कोई भी चीज fill up नहीं की है. Now हमारे जो poem है उसमें एक empty shoe का discussion हुआ था. अभी शू में जनरली क्या चीज आप फिलअप करते हैं? ऑब्वियसली योर फुट. ऑलराइट, तो फुट नहीं है, दैट मीन्स वो शू एम्प्टी है और वहां जाकर कैट सो जाता है. सो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन फर्स्ट. देयर आर ओनली 3 वर्ड मीनिंग्स इन दिस चैप्टर. ओके, वैसे तो देयर वाज ओनली 1 वर्ड मीनिंग, 2 एक्स्ट्रा आई हैव एडेड माई सेल्फ. सो प्लीज राइट इट डाउन फास्ट इन योर नोटबुक. हाँ, एक और चीज है जो मैंने नहीं बोली है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप नहीं करेंगे. ऑलराइट, डेट, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. Please write down the date on every page. Okay? All right. Do it fast. Shelf. Okay, so window ledge is a shelf under a window. Then edge. What is edge? Edge is the outside limit of an object. किसी भी object की जो outside limit होती है, that is called an edge. Then empty. What is empty? A thing or an object which is not filled up. So that object is said to be empty at that time. Please write it down fast. 1 more minute I am giving you. Only अच्छा, एग्जाम में इन वर्ड मीनिंग्स पर भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, सो बी एग्जाम रेडी व्हेनेवर यू आर राइटिंग एनीथिंग इन योर नोटबुक, ऑलराइट? Okay children, like if you need a little more time, you can pause the screen. Now I'm going to rub it out, okay, because we do not have much time, right? So the next thing that we are going to do is question answers. Now you must be wondering, in the book question answers are not there. How come the question answers? How come ma'am is doing the question answers? There are some extra questions that I have made for you, okay, which are important from the exam point of view. So we will write down those extra questions. So come back on the index page. Index page में nothing you have to do. Serial number and all, everything is there. Date, the same date that you have put on, and then topic. Nothing. Right here, chapter 8, question and answer in short form. Question and answer. All right. So index page is needed to be filled up. Okay. Without the index filled up, I will not check your notebook this time. Yeah. Please write down the index. Chapter 8, question answer. What it takes to write the index? Nothing. Just 4-5 seconds of yours. So please write down the index. All right. So, now come back again to that page जहां आपने word meanings लिखना खत्म किया. Okay. So write down question number C. Okay. C. Answer the following questions. ANSWER. Answer the following questions. So question number 1 is, list the places, LIST list, THE the, PLACES, list the places where cats sleep in the poem. WHERE, where CATS, cats, sleep, SLEEP, sleep in the poem. Okay, in the poem. Now full stop beta, क्योंकि question, just sentence is not asking a question. Although it is a question, but ये जो sentence है, ये एक interrogative sentence नहीं है. उसने हमें कहा है कि वो सारे places को आप सिर्फ list down कीजिए जो इस poem में आए हैं जहाँ पर cats सोती है. Okay, so list the places where cats sleep in the poem. So put a full stop over there at the end. So the places one by one we are going to list it down. So the first place where the cat sleep is, okay, उसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा poem में देख लेते हैं. So first place that is discussed, any table. Then second place is any chair. Any table, any chair. Third place is top of piano. TOP, top, OF off, PIANO, top of piano. Fourth place is window ledge. WINDOW, window, LEDGE, ledge. अभी इन द मिडिल ऑन द एज तो वो विंडो लेज का ही था, है ना. विंडो लेज के मिडिल में भी कैट्स होती है और उसकी एज पर भी. ठीक. Open drawer, empty shoe. O-P-E-N, open, D-R-A-W-E-R, open drawer. Abhi since I do not have place left here, I am writing on the other side, but you have to continuously write downwards, okay? So sixth one, open drawer, empty shoe. Empty shoe. Open drawer, empty shoe. And then next, anybody's lap. Okay? Anybody's lap. A-N-Y-B-O-D-Y-S. Anybody's lap. Eighth is fitted in a cardboard box. That means a cardboard. Okay? Cardboard box. Then ninth, cupboard. In the cupboard. Okay. So these are the 9 places that are discussed in the poem where the cats sleep. So please write down this question. Okay. Any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap, cardboard box and cupboard. That's it. Okay? Please write it down first. Okay children, I guess this much time is enough, and if you need a little more time, please pause the screen and write comfortably. Okay, I am getting aside, pause the screen and write it down. Okay. Now, question number 2. So children, question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is a window ledge? So what is a window ledge? So what is a window ledge? Just now we have discussed it in the word meanings. क्या होता है window ledge? It is a shelf under a window. Okay, window ledge means window ledge is a shelf under a window. Window ledge is a shelf under a window. किसी भी window के नीचे एक shelf है तो उसे कहेंगे window ledge. Okay? The last question, and on this note we will end up the chapter. Okay, so question number 3. Who is the author of the poem? Okay, who is the author of the poem? Okay, so you know the name, Eleanor Ferguson. Okay, spelling is a little difficult, but then what to do? You have to remember the name, Eleanor Ferguson. E-L-E-A-N-O-R, Eleanor. E-L-E-A-N-O-R, Eleanor Farjeon. F-A-R-J-E-O-N. Eleanor Farjeon is the author of the poem. Okay, and a full stop, beta. Please don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the answers and a question mark at the end of the questions. Okay. So, Eleanor Farjeon is the author of the poem. ठीक है. So, here the question answers are over. देखो कितना अच्छा चैप्टर था. सिर्फ 3 question answers हैं. Only 3 word meanings are there. Only 8 new words are there. All right. So, one more thing. Don't forget to write the date on the top of the page. So, here on this note, our chapter is also over. Okay, chapter 8, Cat Sleep Anywhere, chapter is over. You can write comfortably. I am getting aside. And yeah, you can pause the screen also. Okay, don't take a screenshot and fill up the memory of your mobile phone. Okay, just pause the screen and write. ठीक है. So homework for you. I am writing it here only. Homework for you. Write the poem Cat Sleep Anywhere. Write the poem. Write the poem. Cat sleep anywhere. Okay, write the poem Cat Sleep Anywhere in the classwork section of your notebook. Okay, just इसके बाद लिखना है. क्वेश्चन आंसर जिधर फिनिश किए उसके जस्ट नीचे या उसके नेक्स्ट पेज पर आपको लिखना स्टार्ट करना है पोएम. Properly put the title of the poem Cat Sleep Anywhere on the top. Okay, and then start writing. ठीक है? So write the poem Cat Sleep Anywhere in your notebook. Alright, so the chapter is over here. I hope you have understood the chapter. Okay, now on this note I am winding up the lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture with another exciting chapter of English. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care. Study hard.